In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cookies in Safari. First, open Safari on your Mac. Up in the top left corner of the screen, click Safari in the menu bar. Choose Settings if you're on macOS Ventura or newer, or choose Preferences if you're using an older version of macOS. When the Settings window opens, click the Privacy tab. Here, you'll see the button called Manage Website Data. Click that button. Give Safari a moment to load the list of websites that have stored cookies and browsing data. Now you can do either of these. Click Remove All if you want to clear all cookies and website data, or select individual websites from the list and click Remove to delete them one by one. Once you're done, click Done to finish. Just a heads up, after clearing cookies, you might get signed out of some websites and need to log in again. If you want Safari to automatically block third-party tracking cookies, you can turn that option on as well. And if you only want to browse temporarily without saving cookies or history, use a private window. Just click File in the menu bar and choose New Private Window. When you browse in this mode, Safari won't save your history, cookies, or browsing data after you close the window. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've cleared cookies in Safari on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more tech tips. I'll see you in the next video.